How to fix Alt-Tab keys not working in Windows 11 tenths. 1. Restart File Explorer. 2. Modify foreground lock timeout registry value. 2.1 Locate foreground lock timeout at computer /H key _current _user /control panel /desktop in registry editor. 2.2 Use base. 2.3 Set 0 to the foreground lock timeout entry. 2.4 Save and reboot your PC. 3 Modify Alt-Tab settings. Registry value. To do so, set 1 to Alt-Tab settings dword at H key _current _user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /Explorer. 4. Uninstall then reinstall the keyboard driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Enable peek option in advanced system properties.